Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be going over a quick tutorial on the Systeme.io. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to set up your email autoresponder. Okay, and then this is a quick capture page I put together. Okay, it's just an example. Right now, let's see, if we back out of here, leave that. Okay, you go to automation rules. Okay, I'm just going to show you, like I said, a quick example. And then all you have to do is come over here and you're going to click add rule. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on funnel step form subscribed. Okay, so that occurs when the contact has just subscribed to a form. In other words, when they opted in. And then we're gonna add action. Okay, so there's a number of things that you could put here. Subscribe to a campaign, unsubscribe from a campaign, add a tag, remove tag, send an individual email, send a email to a specific address, enroll in a course, and then send a webhook. Okay, so for example, we send an email, and then we would have to have created an email already, or add an email, okay, by clicking on the plus sign. But there is actually an automated way of doing this. So we're gonna click on the X. Okay, we're gonna add action, and then instead of doing an individual email, we're gonna subscribe to a whole campaign. Okay, and I already created a campaign, an email campaign here. Okay, and this is just an example. I'm not going to attach it to it because I assigned it to another funnel that I have. But that's how you do that. Now, let's go back to the main dashboard. Does start off with the free plan if you just want to test it. And let's see here. And I'll show you the different plans here. Let me just log out. Oops, let me log back in. Okay, and then we'll go to pricing. All right, and then so the free plan, like I said, you don't have to pay anything. It's just so if you want to get your feet wet. Okay, so the contacts 2,000, email sent unlimited, sales funnels 3. So I do recommend though, if you like it, just the star price is $27 a month. The webinar edition is $47 a month, and the unlimited plan is $97 a month. Okay, and if you are get if you are ready to start, go ahead and click on the link below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.